iCreate has a built-in photo editor. In this case, we would like to make this image a little bit smaller before we insert it onto our content page. So to do this, we're going to click on the Browse button again, which will take us back to where the picture is stored in our file manager. In order to open the image editor, on the bottom right-hand corner of your image, you will see a black arrow. If you click this black arrow, a menu will open, in which you will select Edit. This has now opened the image in the iCreate photo editor. An important thing to remember when you're resizing images in the iCreate photo editor is that you want to resize your image first before you crop it. This will save the photo quality. In order to resize the picture, you will click on the Resize button in the editor. By clicking this button, it will give you the current width and height of the picture. To keep things simple, we recommend changing the width of the picture first. The current width of this picture is 618 megapixels. I'm going to change that to something in and around 200 to 250. Once I've changed the number, I need to then press the Apply button. Once you press Apply, it will resize your image and give you a preview of how the image now looks at its new size. If you would like to change the size of the image, go ahead and click the Resize button again, and you can play with these numbers until you get the image where you would like it to be. Again, pressing the Apply button in between every change. Once you're finished resizing the image, if you would then like to crop the image, you would click on the Crop button in the photo editor. Bring your cursor down to the image and draw your crop box with your mouse around the area of the picture you would like to crop. Once you're happy with the selected area, you will then press the Apply button, and this will apply the crop. Once you've resized and cropped the image to your liking, you will then save your image by pressing on the Save button. This will bring up the original file name of your picture. You have the option to go ahead and save over the original file name, or you can change the file name slightly by adding the word Edit to the end of it. That way you will always have the original and then the edited copy of the picture. Once you've named your file, you can go ahead and click the Save button to the right. This will take you back to the file location in your file manager. And as you will now see, you have your original photo as well as your edited photo. You can go ahead and click on your edited photo, and this will insert it into the Insert Edit Image dialog box and give you the new preview of your resized picture. As you can see in this example, it is a much more appropriate size to insert onto a content page. The next thing you will need to do before you insert your image onto your content page is add alt text. Alt text is an accessibility consideration and is a brief description of the image. That way, when a screen reader encounters this image, it will stop and read the alt text to the user. In this example, I could say something like, small brown Chihuahua puppy. Once you've entered in your alt text, you can go ahead and click Insert. As you can see, because I inserted the image at the beginning of a paragraph, it kind of separated my paragraph. But that's okay, because I'm going to show you how to wrap the text around this image. In order to wrap the text around the image, click on your image so that it is highlighted. Then, in your content editing toolbar, you're going to click on the Left Align Text button. As you can see, this has popped the paragraph up to left align with your image.